Songbird by Oasis is played in standard tuning with no capo and uses just 3 easy to play chords. I'm going to start off with a G major chord, second finger, 3rd fret of the low E string, first finger, 2nd fret of the A string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B string, and the pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. We're going to strum all of the strings here. For the rhythm, we're going to strum down, 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 down. We're actually going to use this rhythm throughout the entire song, so always down, 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 down. Now there's a slight accent on the 2 and the 4, so we just have a bit more of a hit on the 2 and the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to stay on this G chord for 3 bars. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 2, and 3, 3, 2, and 3, and 4. So the 4th bar in the song starts on the G chord again. We're going to strum down, down, up. And then we're going to take the 2nd finger off and move the 1st finger up to the 2nd fret on the low E string. We have a G chord with an F sharp in the bass here. It's a little passing chord for us, and we're just going to strum down, down. So G, down, down, up, and then to the F sharp, down, down. So we're then going to move to an E minor 7 chord. So we have the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the D. These 3rd and 4th fingers are always going to stay on the 3rd fret of the high B and E string throughout the entire song. We have exactly the same rhythm here and for exactly the same amount of time. So 3 bars just strumming the E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and again on the 4th bar it's exactly the same, just backwards. We have the E minor, down, down, up, then to the G with the F sharp in the bass as before, down, down, back to the start on the G chord, and we just repeat that throughout the entire song. So G for 3 bars, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 2, 3, passing chord, E minor, 3 bars, 2,